vicious crime, a young woman beaten to death.
I don't want these kids to get away with an adult crime.
She's dead, and all I care about is getting her justice.
Victims of racist paranoia.
What chance do young black males have in the wrong place, at the wrong time of night?
This is how the system works. Tainted evidence, a racist cop.
And you, the media, are part of the conspiracy.
Have you got any respect for the system?
Should I? The system has no respect for me.
Color of Justice, a Showtime original picture, premiering Sunday evening at 8 on Showtime.
They say Stephen's uncles have won another present.
Would you like to come to the park? I'm a watch to feed the ducks.
Come to me, Lord. Come to me. Oh, come along.
When a kid's world tries John Turturro.
Droopy ears, sticky out ears, earache, fever, flu, fat paws, face ache. Where is it? Purple eyes, needless, headaches, there we are. Hiccups. Tequila. Hiccups. Place yourself in an upside down position and sing a song. Sing a song. This boy's try.
In director Diane Keaton's 40 Trilogy.
Hiccups. Hello, Kipper. It's a lovely day, isn't it? Yes, Jane. It's a lovely day. A lovely, lovely day. I don't think I've ever seen such a lovely day. I think you got here much, Kipper. I know. I've had them all day. Get rid of them.
Unfrontier. Premiering Friday evening at 8 on Showtime.
Walt Disney's legendary classic, The Sword in the Stone, on a new 45th Anniversary Edition DVD. The timeless story of King Arthur
A sword.
and his wizard Merlin,
You'll become a great legend.
who teaches him the secrets of the sea, the sky, and the forest. Filled with magical extras, including the all-new Merlin's Magical Academy game, animated shorts, and more. Experience the amazing adventure as Arthur battles against evil
Ma'am, what are you up to?
She was going to destroy me.
and discovers his destiny. Walt Disney's The Sword in the Stone 45th Anniversary Edition, now on Disney DVD.
Hiroshima, a Showtime original miniseries, captures all the sides, all the emotion, all the controversy of the defining moment of the 20th century. A moment decided not only by armies, but by individuals.
I'm sure they do want to end the war, Colonel, but on their terms, without occupation, punishment, or reparations.
With different agendas.
Tell them we have the bomb.
We should use it without warning.
The men behind the choices, both American.
As long as we don't use this bomb, not even to test it, then it's not too late.
We've all thought that the question was when the gadget would be ready to use, not whether it would be used at all.
And Japanese.
It looks like they intend to fight to the last man.
Witnesses remember.
The mountains in the background lit up just like it was daylight.
Survivors cannot forget. The decision that changed the world. Hiroshima.
Premiering next Sunday evening at 8 on Showtime.
Take a journey inside Florida's Gold Coast, where nothing is as it appears, and there's no one you can trust. Elmore Leonard's Gold Coast, a Showtime original picture coming this month.
Unlocking the secrets of Atlantis was just the beginning. This time, the heroes from Atlantis head for the surface. Join the team as they journey through new adventures.
Just call me the doorman.
And discover the secrets behind the power of the crystal.
We got company!
Disney's Atlantis, Milo's Return. The all-new adventures coming soon on Disney DVD and video.